చాలా మందికి మీరు ఒక మంచి లైఫ్ ఇవ్వాలి సార్. టుడే వాట్ ఎవర్ I feel I am so much blessed. I have associated since so many 21 years with you. You have saved me and you taught me how to be a good mother, how to be a good teacher and how to be a good human being. So ఈ రోజు నేను ఏది ఉన్నానంటే సార్ మీ గురించే, because you are my inspiration and you are my role model. Thank you so much to be in my life.
Sir is a visionary leader. We are grateful to him that we are working in his institutions with lots of vision and your guidance making us to reach all the milestones, sir. Thank you so much. I wish and pray to the Almighty that you should have a long and healthy life and successful career so that you can establish many more Vignan's group of institutions. And in your visionary, in your leadership, we are thankful to work under you. Thank you so much. And once again, I wish you a very happy birthday to you, sir. Thank you.